Hey people, well I just wanted to show you another acquisition I got. This is a Toastmaster model 7327 slimline 20-inch box fan. I bought this off eBay a little over a week ago, and I got it probably about 2 days ago. I got this so I could have one of the early ones with the skinny blades, as well as having one of these with the wide blades, plus a later thin and light under the Edison brand. Plus, I've seen quite a few of these around, especially one that a cousin of mine used to have. During the one time we went to visit her during her daughter's graduation. Fortunately, I never got to see that fan run as it was never plugged in. But I have this one. And as you can see, it's got the original box. Not just that. It's also got the original paperwork too. Here's the deal on how to put the feet on. Important. Be sure to attach feet provided before operating fan. And there's the I don't know what you call this. It's got the warranty information. Oh, no, this is the instruction manual, or the actual manual itself. Important safeguards. Using care, cleaning, oiling. It's the same, it's the exact same as what I have with my metal bladed Toastmaster sitting in that box. Yeah, here's the thing with the warranty service information and all that. And it has a list of all the places where you could service your Toastmaster box fans at the time. Anyway, move this over here. First, we'll have a look at the box. Toastmaster. New slimline 20-inch fan. Here's all the features. You can pause this if you want to read it. Oh, and the shade of green the cabinet is McGraw Edison referred to that as a moss green color. Either that or the Toastmaster division did. Here's a picture of the fan. Toastmaster, McGraw Edison Company Division. Portable Appliance and Tool Group, Columbus, Missouri. In Boonville, Missouri, it's probably where the main McGraw Edison headquarters were. Like, say, for the Bursted division fans. Here's one side of the box. Other side's the same. And this is simply the back of the box. All it lacks is the picture on the back. It just has this green swirly pattern. And there's the company information. And here's the top of the box. And the shipping information. I meant to turn that around. It doesn't say where this is, what store this was shipped to, just has the address. And there's a date of 2/27/76. So it leads me to believe it was either late 75 or early 76 that this blade set came out. Put that aside. Now here's the fan itself. As I said, this is one of the early ones with the skinny banana style blades. And just like the older fat blades, and unlike the later blade set of these, this has the screw in the center of the hub holding it to the motor. Have an overall look at the fan. Here's one side. And this is what McGraw Edison, or maybe just the Toastmaster division, refers to as a moss green color. And it does probably another shade of avocado green. Look at the other side. Turn around to the back. Hey, even the back grill's a nice green. And once again, we have that unique motor mount. What's funny though is, unlike the Manning-Bowman branded one I have with the fat blades, this one still has the original style McGraw Edison motor that has the oval slots, as you can see, and sides that look like this, and the big piece in the center. It's the same motor that's on my bigger Toastmaster box fans, which I think are both model 5373. And I have my Manning-Bowman just to show you the difference in the motors. This one has the later motor, the smaller thing in the middle, and the smaller teardrop shaped vents, and the sides that look like this, and the back and the front are kind of flat. It's the same as the motor on my later Edison branded Thin and Light. I don't know, maybe even then a few of their thin box fans use this wide blade set. What? And also has this style cord, and, or at least where the cord is attached. This one has kind of a weird, kind of like this. Anyway, turn this back around. And it's also got this little hole on the top of the blade hub. You have a view of the top. And unlike the Manning Bowman, which has this thing for a handle, as you can see, this one still has its original handle. So, in the words of Esky-Wolf, it's got the handle, oh my lord, it's got the handle. Whatever. Sorry, Esky, I can't do that like you can. And there's the speed tag. Toastmaster, model 7237. I can't really focus on that. It's 115 volts, 80 hertz, and 2.6 amps. So believe it or not, the motor on this has slightly more amps than my bigger McGraw Edison box fans, which happen to have 2.2 amps at the max. Toastmaster Division, McGraw Edison Corporation, Boonville, Missouri. Yeah, this still reads Boonville, Missouri on the sticker, but reads Columbia, Missouri on the box. And once again, it's a 2-speed with 2 off positions at either end. I think this is my 3rd box fan I own that's like that. Anyway, now I'll show it running. Oh, and both the speeds on this thing are high, or run pretty high. It's like instead of high and low, you have a normal high and then a super duper high, or a turbo boost. So here we go with high, which is actually a turbo boost speed. I'll go down to low. Which is like high on what it should be. And I'll go down to the 2nd off position. Goes down for a while and kind of abruptly stops. I guess the way the bearings are in this motor. Okay, now back to low, which is like high. Back to turbo speed. And as always, go to the left, spells off. Excuse the cat noise in the background. He's kind of playing with one of his toys again. So anyway, this is my 1976 Toastmaster model 7327 slim line 20-inch box fan. Thank you for watching.